Hey guys, I'm just gonna tell you what happened to my face. On the left, I have beautiful face paints of Thomas the Tank Engine. On my forehead, I have like a rainbow tiara. If you want to know what happened, just watch this video. I don't feel that well, and look who's on top of me. And I'm the one being smushed. I got my hand here, so I'm not doing anything. Guillermo. Oh gosh, I'm being squished. Guillermo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you.
Stop!
You're on top of me. How can I stop?
Stop!
I can't stop.
Stop!
Get off me. Ah, you pulled my hair. You pulled my hair. You pulled my hair. He's a crazy baby boy. And I just want to, I'm very cold. So I'm just laying on the couch. What are you doing? Yeah, it's climbing on top of me again. Oh. It's giving me kisses with teeth. Oh. Everyone that says he's cute is cute, but Mary likes squishing me. Guillermo. Off. I love you. Ow! You pull my hair. It's not nice. Do you want to watch a movie? And we are going to try and look for someone to help us. And yeah, we've got a Guillermo focus day today.
Next stop, domestic airport.
Like Mummy's music?
Huh?
Like Mummy's punk rock?
Oh no! Whoa.
Sit properly, legs down. Guillermo, stop being stiff. You have to put your legs down. So people sit. So people sit on the trains.
This train will stop at Central.
Stand like that, Guillermo. No empieces así. Good boy. Should be someone helping us. Wait.
City
Wait.
Central via Museum.
Wait.
Stop Museum, then St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard, and Town Hall.
Good afternoon, customers. Welcome to Central Station. For the customers with the luggage and pram.
Okay, I
The
asked my
lift located at
sister,
the end of the platform.
and that didn't work.
Front of the train. Just repeating for the customers with the luggage and pram. We have the least.
So I just want to verify something. I did request for assistance to get off the train. Sadly, my train station did not notify Central Station. So I literally had to get off first, hug Guillermo to take him off the train. So that is what you guys just saw. I'm way beyond upset. It's the second time that the train station staff never rang the station I was getting off asking for assistance. I normally go to the station furthest, like 2 stops away, because I know there's staff that will help. But the staff at the train station in mine, I'm very upset. Last week they did the same thing. Get your hands off the dog. Yeah. I don't think Guillermo's ever been to Central Station, so he's very excited. We have to go to level 1. Okay? Do you want to catch a lift or walk up the stairs? Alright, we'll use the escalators. Okay. Show them all. Hold Mama's hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, up. Ah. Are you excited? Guillermo, are you excited? Never been to Central Station. I might take him to Chinatown. I get lost in Chinatown, but see how that goes. Okay. Ready? Up. Okay. Okay, so to go this way, I think. Many vision. Just trying to walk platform 8 and platform 1. Guys, let's go back this way. Excited, Guillermo? Coming to the city with Guillermo gives me anxiety. Severe anxiety.
No, I don't.
Platform 5.
No, I
How do I
don't.
get to platform 1? No, can you see over there? I saw something blue. I know that's Thomas. But how do we get to platform 1? Oh, he came like half an hour early, so Guillermo's sitting here watching TV. No, Guillermo! So in the first part, they took us in a room and there was a lady telling stories of how to go on the train. Make sure that you don't cross the yellow line. Make sure you hold a grown-up's hand. Guillermo was ignoring and throwing the cushion around the room, as you guys will see right now.
Does anyone know why Thomas is here to see us today? Anyone know why?
Men, come here.
Thomas is here. He came here all the way from his home, a very, very long way away, to say hi to all the kids today. So you get to go and ride on Thomas and you get to take some photos, but also because he's going to teach us some very important things about catching trains. Has anyone ever been on a train before? Who's been on a train? Put your hand up.
Guillermo, hand up, hand up.
What have you guys did?
Hand up.
Wow, it's very exciting going on some trains, isn't it? It can be a lot of fun, but there's also some important things we need to remember, isn't it? To make sure you all stay nice and safe. So, Thomas asked me to tell you guys today, when you go and see him, he wants to see all the children bigger smiling faces. So, Ruby, let's practice. Who can show me their biggest smiling faces? Stay safe as we go along. Awesome. We're going to do it again. Let's pretend to be robots. House to roll like a robot. Okay? Yeah! That's right. Holding the adult hand.
Now be very careful because I have bird. You have to look out for a yellow lion.
Guillermo, do you know who that is? The fat controller.
Come on now, guys. Yeah, we're almost in the circle. What's this thing over here, guys? Mind the gap, that's right. Why do we have to hold it an adult hand, guys? That's right, it's dangerous, we have to stay safe. And sometimes kids, adults like to run around and get lost, so we might lose our adults. The second most important message, why do we have to stand behind the yellow line?
And
What's that? So we have to stand behind the yellow line because sometimes on the platform, the train comes very fast. And what sound does the train make? If you're a very small person, you might fly away or you might get hit by the train. So and the third important message, why do we have to mind the gap? Why do we have to mind the gap, guys?
so you can fall. You can fall,
Because
Baba.
sometimes on every station, the gap could be very wide, it could be very narrow, it could be very tall, even taller than me, it could be very short. So every station is different. That's why we have to be careful and not fall into the gap. So guys, when we go to the station, we always have to hold out our hand, right? So let's practice doing that on the platform. Ready guys? Everyone's got holding on to their hands now? Yeah. So now we're going to stand on the platform and we're going to walk on the platform. So we'll just walk towards the yellow line. Yeah, let's everyone walk along the platform. There's the yellow line now. Stop. Stop. There's the yellow line. Now there's the gap. We have to cross the gap. We have to take a big step. Big step, guys. A very big step. Okay.
So boring.
Turn around. Turn around. And we do the same thing. We'll hold on to adult's hand. Everyone's got adult's hand? Yeah? And now we're walking towards the yellow line. Yeah, oh, there's a yellow line there. Stop! Okay, and now we have to mind the gap. Ready? Big steps, guys. Big step. Big step. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now we're going to practice this on the real train. Are you ready, guys? You
That's
ready?
funny, scary.
Okay, we'll practice and we'll show. We're coming out this way, guys. Holding on to our
Guillermo.
hand.
Stop. Guillermo, stop. Stop.
Going to get on the train now. Do you want to go getting on the train? And then you can go play on the table.
Yeah, let's go.
Ready, guys?
So this part of the video, the rail staff could tell that Guillermo was not into.
Hi.
Hi. Like I was saying, in this part of the video, they realized Guillermo was not really into like learning with the guys about safety. So I was like, you know what, you can go and play with the blocks. Well, Guillermo was not having it, did not want to do the train safety, so I let us come play with the box. I'm going to go in the driver's seat after that. Playing with books. You good, Mom? You like it? So this part, Guillermo got to be inside a CityRail train and got to play driver. So what he had to do was press the red button. Even I was tempted to press the red button. I always told him not to press the red button. And it made a toot honk sound. You're in your element.
When you give this nice red button push, big push. Big push.
This time Mummy won't yell at you. Press it.
Big press.
Yay! Again?
Again.
Press it. Yay!
One more time.
One more. Come on, again.
One last time we go see Thomas.
Okay. One more time. Yay! Ready? Off. Hand. Okay.
Alright, how would you like me to...
We're in the queue waiting to meet Thomas. Guillermo. I'm holding Guillermo. Say hi. No? He's very cranky today. So it's in a long queue waiting to meet Thomas the Tank Engine. No. Okay, I'm going to drop him. I've given Mr. Grumpy a muesli ball. Guillermo. Yummy? So this is Thomas's train. It's brown with a yellow line in the middle. There's some windows. And Guillermo wants to be filmed forward. A little bit forward. Good boy. Hang on. Right. Forward. Leave Mama behind, don't ya? Hi. He's in his own element here.
Do you want somebody else to take a photo for you, or you like?
No, I'll just film him. It's okay. Look.
That's Thomas. Are you destroying my Thomas? This one is still driving here.
Look. I don't know what that is for.
Sure. That's all for the steam. The steam goes up, the train goes.
No, we don't want Thomas to leave.
Oh, well, just a little bit and we're going to stop him. Okay, let's stop Thomas now. He's going too fast. Turn around for me. Turn around. Push. Push this one. Push. Push, push, push. There we go. Thank you. Say thank you to Thomas.
Thank you.
I'll
Say
see you
bye.
next year. Bye.
Thank you.
Ah,
Ciao.
Kent. Hi. Yes, please.
Okay, I'll take it for you.
Thank you. Thanks. I got like a princess tiara face painted. Hey Thomas, you almost got a Thomas. He falls off the paint Thomas. So we're gonna go. So after we had our face painted, we were walking to a small cafe to have lunch, and we saw two individuals in bodysuits, like full bodysuits, even their face were covered in black, promoting don't sleep up when it comes to safety. So I tried to take a photo. Guillermo wouldn't last long, so I thought, you know what, I'll just record Guillermo with these two individuals. I don't know if they were both men. I wasn't going to ask, but it seems quite cool. Take a photo with them? Yeah, go. But don't stab them with your sword. It's a safety thing. Guillermo, look at Mama. say cheese. Don't worry, I'm just recording it. Thank you guys. Are you challenging them to a duel? You got the sword. So Transport for New South Wales were having a Track Safe Week, and that's why they had a life-size Thomas the Tank Engine. Their program was to educate preschoolers from age 2 to 5 about the values of rail safety knowledge to keep your child safe whenever they catch the train. And it was only on for 2 days, so Sunday 11th of August till Monday the 12th, so I did that. So the rail safety tips were: be careful when you step. Be careful where you step when you're catching the train to avoid slips, trips and falls. There's a lot of YouTube videos you can find of kids falling between the cracks. I've actually fallen between the cracks. So that's why I normally request assistance. That's why I was very annoyed, as you guys might see early in the video. Stay behind the yellow line at all times and mind the gap when you're getting on and off the train. So me and Guillermo, if I'm by myself, no issues. But when I'm with Guillermo, I normally ask for assistance because he's 3. And like I said, a lot of sighted parents have have had kids fall between the cracks, and I refuse for that to happen. Put your phone away and stay alert around trains. I do that, except when I'm vlogging. Always park prams parallel to tracks. Put brakes on and hold on. Yes, because brakes do come off, and prams do. I've seen videos as well, and I've actually seen it in action where the pram has gone. It's fallen on the platform, and luckily people in the public could go and help. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that I was a bit cranky. Obviously, dealing with a 3-year-old that wasn't listening, obviously anyone's going to be cranky. But like I said, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll try and do more Guillermo friendly events.